What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Amy and I'm currently living in this house in Santa Teresa, Costa Rica with my boyfriend Jay. He's upstairs, and today I'm going to take you along with me for a day in the life here in Santa Teresa, Costa Rica. First thing we're going to do is some yoga. Let's go. Bye Lilo. So when Jay and I first moved here, we got monthly yoga passes. We pay $100 a month and then it gives us access to 2 yoga studios in town, and they each have like 5 classes a day. So it's such a good deal if you go every day, which we try to. It's like only comes out to like $3.30 per day per class, instead of the normal drop-in fee, which is like $13. So if you are, oh my god, people looking at me. It's so embarrassing. So if you are gonna be coming here for a long period of time, just get like a monthly pass. Yoga class was so nice. I always love starting my day with yoga. It makes me feel so good. I'm gonna go down to the beach and check the waves on the way home because I would love to surf. The waves here in Santa Teresa have really not been that good. They're really not awesome in the rainy season, but it's worth a check so I can see if I can surf this afternoon. So these are the waves. This is kind of what I expected. This is what it's been like every single day basically. And although it kind of looks like there's waves, there's nobody out for a reason. It's just super windy and like closing out, so not super fun. So it's not terrible, but there is a really good surf break about an hour from here. That's a point break, so it's so much better for longboarding and shortboarding than a beach break like it is here. So I think I'm gonna go home and see if Jay wants to go drive over there. We've been going, honestly, almost every day to go over there and surf, even though it's an hour drive, just because it's so nice and it's so worth it. A little disappointing moving here and like not really being aware that the rainy season makes it nearly impossible to surf here in Santa Teresa, but that's okay, because there's a cool surf spot nearby. So we're gonna go over there and we'll take you with us to surf. In case you guys haven't watched our video on buying this rig that we bought, I just posted it and I'll put the link here to go watch that, because the process of buying a vehicle in Costa Rica is a little bit challenging. So if you want to know how that was like for us, you can go watch that video. Rainy season things. Hopefully it stops raining by the time we want to go surfing.
Just rainy things.
We're like 25 minutes away from the surf spot and it just started torrential raining.
Yeah, the good thing about surfing is it's a water activity though. Got
Yeah,
that going.
but it's not so fun in the pouring rain.
I kind of like it. Just looks heavier because we're driving into it. Said like 5 minutes after down the road, and it literally didn't even rain out here. Not a drop on the road.
It's crazy.
That is so nuts.
Oh, meant to be. So we're just driving through the town of Montezuma, which is on the other side of the peninsula kind of from Santa Teresa, and over here is where we've been coming to surf because, as we showed you, Santa Teresa is just like not good in the off season, which is right now. Like the rainy season is only good for beach break shortboarding, which neither of us are fans of, or can even do in my case.
I'm a fan of it, I just can't do it. I've gone out there, it's just insanely hard to even get a wave. It's hard to just get past a break, let alone try to catch a wave.
Yeah.
But I did get a couple good ones.
You did?
Yeah.
That's good.
You just weren't there, you just didn't see it.
Alright. But yeah, so
happened,
we're really liking this side, and we're actually going to possibly move over here for the month of October.
See.
Yes, we are. Just have yet to decide what house we are going to get. We've been messaging a bunch on Airbnb to kind of see, but we haven't we only got to see one house to look at. But yeah, it's a lot nicer over here for surfing during the rainy season. So long story short, that's my tip. If you're gonna be here in the rainy season and you wanna surf, unless you're into shortboarding beach breaks, then maybe come over to this side.
Luis is not here. Is that our rig? Weird
Ew.
stuff.
Oh boy.
Bye.
Fuck yeah. Lino, come in. Sick.
So sick. And the rain's all gone.
Let's get
Party
it.
wave.
Oh.
Oh, maybe not.
Looks so fun.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, we're gonna suit up and head out. How was your surf?
Oh, it was sick. Oh, look at that wave. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, wait, you can't really see it. No, it looks fun though. Looks fun for my eyes.
It's actually frick. It's kind of picking up right now. I don't know.
You want to stay?
It was fun. It was pretty busy earlier. There was a bunch of like schools out, push people into waves. So that's always bullshit. Amy got a little spooked. Got out of the water early, which is a bummer. But I caught some fun ones. And yeah, I'm excited to move out here, I think. Surf this every day.
I had a pretty fun surf, got some good waves, but yeah, then there was like all these beginners out getting pushed into waves, so I came in, but it is what it is. Super fun, love this place, and now we're gonna go. Okay, are we going fishing? What are you
Monkey
doing?
call. So you're filming. Oh yeah, let's go fishing.
Okay.
Come on, D-Dice. Wax.
Jay! Hey! Oh God. Alright, we just drove like a minute down the road.
I like this point out here. We can go throw a few casts. Okay. See if we can't reel something in.
Please catch some dinner.
I'll be ready. The gold spoon. The color gold is really good for capturing goldfish. You ever seen something like that? Probably not. Probably not.
Beautiful. You want to hit this rope swing?
I was actually eyeing it.
It looks like there's a lot of crocodiles in there. I don't know, it looks a little eerie.
It also looks like it's like 8 inches deep, so if you feel like breaking a femur or a fucking tibia.
Probably not today for me. You lost your golden lure?
Lost my golden lure.
Oh.
So golden after all.
Oh.
Well, I saw a stingray and
That's
a turtle,
cool.
so.
This is so beautiful, like, oh my gosh. This beach is gorgeous. Alright guys, we are back from surfing, showered, got ready to go out for dinner, and it started absolutely pouring, so we've just been kind of sitting here like waiting for the rain to stop. It is the rainy season in Costa Rica right now, so we shouldn't be surprised, but I mean, I hope that you can hear that through the mic. It's absolutely pouring. But I'm hungry! And we don't have any food here.
Change into our beach clothes and run for it.
I'll just take an umbrella.
Or that works.
Bye, Lilo. She's so tired from her big day on the beach. Alright, we're at this Mexican restaurant right up from our house. It's called Muchacha.
How is it? St. Patty's Day tortillas?
I don't know why they're green, but they're good. How's yours?
Fire.
Well, that was pretty fire. I mean, Mexican food outside of Mexico is really, it's never
You just can't
even
compare,
comparable.
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good. And
Filled the
it's
void.
just about stopped raining. So that's nice for a walk home. We just walked back from dinner. We are gonna play crib. We usually play crib at least once a day, and then probably go to sleep. It's like 9 o'clock already, 10 o'clock.
It's past our bedtime.
Yeah, past our bedtime. So we're gonna play cards and then go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching this day in the life with us here in Santa Teresa. Comment if you have any questions or any videos that you want to see from us in the future. But until then, thank you for watching and peace out.
Shit.